Hey, what's up guys, it's Oyen here from the Tech Infos back with another video. So today guys, I'm going to showcase you a micro USB cable from the company Ambrane, which I bought from Amazon for just 99 rupees. Now you might be asking yourself, hey Oyen, you tell in your videos all the time, switch to Type-C, why the companies are not making Type-C products and stuff like that. So why are you covering a micro USB cable? So here's the thing, here's the reality. There are many products which are still available in micro USB, and I too have many products which are micro USB, and I cannot simply throw them away because money is valuable guys. Don't just change products randomly. And I know that many of you guys too are looking for good quality micro USB cable, and in today's time it's really difficult to find in the plethora of options that are available in the market. Oyen, it's plethora, not plethora. Okay, calm down, like mistakes happen. In the plethora of options that are available in the market. So that's the reason I chose to cover this product, because I feel this is something that's gonna help you guys if you own a product that has micro USB. So anyways guys, before anything, let's go ahead to the unboxing table and showcase you the product. Okay guys, so this is the box in which the product comes in. As you can see, it's a simple cardboard box, and on the back guys, as you can see, there are certain informations. Okay, so the noteworthy information over here is that the price is $299, but as I said guys, it's available for just 99 at times, and without offer for around 149 rupees. And as always, the Best Buy link for it will be in the description. Now the model number over here has already been specified, as you can see, RCM15. So that's the product that we are looking into today. So I've already cut the box guys, the seal of the box, as you can see, to check whether the product was genuine or not. So anyways, let's open up the box. Now opening up the box, we get the cable. Now if you follow my channel, you already know that we have tested actually a cable from the company Ambrane, and we were really surprised for the price that it was available, and for that cable too it was available for 99. But this cable is just next level. The quality is way better than the one which I reviewed. Anyways, let's keep the cable aside for the time being, and let's see what we get inside. Okay, we just get a card. Coming back to the product guys, the overall quality is really good. So what I'll do is guys, that I'll be using this product for a few days, and then I'll come back and give my final verdict about this product. But initial impressions are really good guys. It's actually really well made. I'm kind of surprised that I got it for just 99. It's really surprising. Anyways, we'll see you soon. So guys, I have been using this cable for quite some time now, and I'm happy to inform you guys that this cable is working really well, way better than what I expected for 99 rupees, of course. Anyways guys, on the spec side of things, it is a 1.5 meter cable. It's braided, so that's a good thing. It supports 3 amp charging, and also it supports 18 watts fast charging, so that's a good thing. And you can transfer data at max speed of 480 Mbps, so that's a good thing once again. Overall, as I mentioned, I have been using this for quite some time now, and honestly guys, the cable is way better than I expected, and I keep on testing this like this. I showcase this to my friends that hey, I made a good purchase decision for 99. You guys waste your money, and see, I got a good cable for 99. Anyways, that is not something that I should do with the micro USB cable, but this is braided guys, and it's very rugged, strength wise. So that's something I really appreciate. Overall, the quality of the cable is good, and it's super long guys. As I said, it's a 1.5 meter cable, and as you can see guys, over here the rubber section has been extended, which is really helpful guys, because at times the cables break from this section. As you can see, this is the same case for the both sides. As you can see on the micro USB cable section too, as you can see, the cable has been extended, the rubber section has been extended, so that's really helpful guys. And as I mentioned guys, it is a braided cable, so it won't tangle, so that's a good thing. And also they come with a velcro attached, so you can of course, you know, kind of organize the cable if in case you want. So yeah, I like organizing things, so having this really helps rather than using a rubber band or any other stuff. This is something that I really like. Overall, I'm really happy with the way the cable has been performing, as I mentioned, and I can definitely recommend this cable. I've used the Ambrane cable previously, that too for the same price, and I said that was one of the best cables available for that price. But today guys, it has been dethroned for that price by this cable. Like, it's from Ambrane, of course, it's the same company, but yeah, this is better than what I reviewed maybe 1 or 2 years back, I don't remember. But overall guys, this is something that I really like. So if in case you're interested in a good quality micro USB cable, this is something that you can look into. I'll definitely drop down links in the description. So that's all for this video guys. If you have any specific questions regarding this cable, always comment down below. I'll try to answer your questions. So anyways guys, if you found this video to be helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. It's Ryan from the Tech Infos guys, signing off. Have a nice day. Peace.